Hello, Priya auntie.
How are you?
Good.
Wait a second for others to join us. How was your week? Can I ask you, how was your week?
It was good.
Is good? Is it snowing there? No.
Bit.
Bit?
What this?
Is it snowing there?
No, not anymore. It's not that big.
Oh, okay. School's at, How are you doing in school, Hayan?
Good.
Good. How are you doing in school, Nevan and Ritu?
Good.
Yuvati, how are you?
Good.
Good. Neil, how are you?
Good.
Nice to
Miss
know.
Priya,
Samhit, yes, ma.
in March, I have a star test.
You want some practice for it?
Yeah.
Mm, do you do the past papers?
We do it on our laptops.
You do it on the laptop. Okay. Do you want separate practice test for it?
Yeah. Miss
Okay.
Priya, in just 1 or 2 months, I'm gonna learn multiplication and division.
But you already did, right?
Yeah, but in my second grade.
Ah. Okay. At school, you're saying?
Yeah.
That's going to be easy, is it not?
Yeah, I know, but it's just a review.
It's a good review. That's going to be really good. Okay. Can I go ahead and start the number sense, guys, today? Nevan. You're not there, Nevan, yet. Nevan? 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 Nevan?
Yeah.
I want your video to be on. Are you in there? Your two missions you have logged in. Can I bring up this time? See, guys, for your information today, I've planned for a different sort of number sense. In the sense, you'll enter the form, you'll get your scores. Okay, immediately. That's good, right? Rather than entering the Excel sheet and you sharing information, you don't need to see others doing. It's easy, right? You put in, you get your scores. Good enough?
Yeah.
No comparisons, nothing. Okay, so let's do that today. But can I go ahead and share the form with you all? Nevan, are you ready? Are you ready, Nevan?
Yeah.
Some What is happening? You're twisted around. Why are you twisted around? Samhit, why are you twisted around, Amma?
Not
Not actually. Okay. Okay. Can we
I'm
start this
ready.
call? Thanks. What, ma?
I'm ready.
Okay, ready. I will start right away, guys. Time is 10:46. Oh, somebody's coming. Lakshmi is coming in now. Okay. Apps. Maybe the timer. Mm-hmm. Okay, I'll start the timer. Shall we have 5 minutes? Yeah, 5 minutes is okay. 5 minutes is okay as usual. Can I go ahead start the timer and share the screen, guys?
Okay.
Okay, so just have a pencil and paper. You don't need to enter answers anywhere. Okay, no chat answers, nothing. Okay, so at the end, you're going to send it out in a form for me. I'll give you 1 minute. Okay, I'll give you 1 minute for that. You don't need to enter answers. You're just going to work out now. Okay, hey, Ann, clear? Good. No, I don't want that. I'm sorry. Let do it from here because I want to be able to enter answers. Go ahead. I'm starting the timer now. Yeah, I started, guys. Want me to share the timer as well? You have 2 minutes. Okay. Are you ready to enter your answers? Okay, so today you will get your scores immediately. Okay, you can check your scores. Okay, I can keep track of your scores. No more Excel sheet. Okay, I have prepared it well. Now let me give you the form. So you use the tab button. Do you all know the tab button? Tab. There is a tab button on the left. Ritu,
Yeah,
I
I
think.
know.
Okay. So that is what you're going to use. It's going to be quick. You can enter quick, quick, quick. Your name, just the first name is enough. Question number one, answer. Press tab. Question number two, directly it goes. You can just type in the answers. Can I give you the form? Okay, once you submit, you can view the form. I'll give you 1 minute, guys, but you have to send it in that 1 minute. Make sense? Okay. I'm going to share it in the chat window. I'll give you 1 minute. Start the timer again. Okay, go ahead. Can you click, see whether you're getting it? Are you able to enter? Okay, just press tab, tab, tab. You can keep going. Okay. So our time doesn't get wasted. Guys, I'm going to close the form. Is it okay? Can I close the
Wait,
form?
wait.
You have to submit the form now. I gave you 1 minute. 1 minute, 30 seconds I gave you. Can we go ahead, submit the form? I'm going to close the form. After that, you cannot submit. Can you submit it? Whatever you've entered, you're going to submit it. We stop there. Mhm. I'm going to stop accepting responses. Okay. I'm going to stop accepting responses, okay? Okay. Okay, now let's see. Did you all get the scores? Good. Okay, which question was difficult? Let's see. Okay, now I got Nevan, Lakshanya, Heyan, Samhit, and Ritu. Yuvati, where is your response, ma? Neil, where is your response? Neil, where is your response? Neil, where is your response, ma? No, you muted. Unmute and talk.
I submitted it.
You submitted it, ah? No, you didn't.
No, I mean, he did not submit. He just submitted now. He didn't know that we have to submit. He stopped entering the response, but didn't know that we have to submit.
Okay. I see, this is all time. This is how your number sense, real number sense will be. Okay. When they stop accepting responses, they'll completely stop accepting responses. Now, Neil's mom, I really want your help. Let them get used to it. But I will open it for you. You're going to resubmit it. Can I open it?
Yeah.
I want them to understand as well. Okay, go ahead.
Yeah,
You can
that's
submit
why
now.
I didn't do that today, but
No
he didn't let
problem.
it get submitted.
Let them get used to it, because see,
Oh.
I also get my second and third grade daughter to do it, so it's okay. Go ahead, Neil. Go ahead and submit it now. From next week, I'll not provide this. Go ahead and submit.
Miss Priya,
Yeah,
I got only 3 wrong.
that's good, ma. That's good. Let's see. Let's see. I will work on whatever you need. Yuvati, did you submit? I didn't see yours. Where is yours?
Oh.
Do it.
Amma,
Click
quick,
that.
ma. Yuvati,
Ah.
Yes, I know.
Yuvati, did you submit it? Neil submitted. Yuvati,
Oh.
are you talking in mute, ma? Please unmute and talk, ma. I can't hear you.
No.
Yuvati.
This is how it will be. It is a learning experience for you. Okay.
Neil, good job. I got your response. Finally, I got it. Don't worry, I'll provide this for another 2 weeks, okay? Yuvati, where is your response, Amma? You are talking in mute. Unmute yourself.
Yes.
What's going on, Yuvati? Unmute yourself and talk, ma. Okay, I will message your dad. This is hard on me. Okay, let me look. Okay, we are just taking time on this today. I'll just check, guys. Hold on.
Now we can talk.
Thanks, Yuvati's dad.
You put in all the answers?
Yeah, but one Malabo, do we have it says we have to click this.
Okay.
Okay, careful.
Have you put in all?
5. Okay.
Yeah.
Good job, Nevan. Whatever you attempted, your accuracy is good. Did you see that? Lakshanya, very good on the accuracy. Did you see that, Lakshanya? Heyan, what happened, Heyan? For the first problem, what did you do? Okay, I'll go through.
Priya,
Uh-huh.
I typed
Uh,
in 396, but I put
didn't.
3396, not 396. I didn't do question 10.
Okay. I will revise 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11. Okay. I will revise 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11. Okay. 9, 10. Oh, your answer is correct. I'll give you one more point, Neil, because the estimation is correct. It will not grade 3396. Never, Neil, unfortunately, I can't give you that. In a real test, it's going to be like this, right?
I didn't type in that. It just did it.
Yeah, I know. Okay, but in a real test, it's going to be like this. All tests is online now. What I mean? But
About
that's
this.
okay. You'll get used to it. This is not a competition. You get it?
On question 11, it just typed in the wrong thing. When I typed in
Yeah.
396,
Absolutely. You want me to give points to it? I can give it to you now. Okay? Don't worry about it. Here, it's not a competition. Okay, but you did great. Did you see on the others?
yeah.
Okay, so don't worry about it now. But this is not an actual competition. It's just you're experiencing a real competition, right? So once you submit it, even if there is a typo, nobody will accept it there. Now I'm going to give you points. You don't worry about it, Neil. Okay. Now let's go ahead and see. Fifth one. Heyan, what is the problem? Heyan, you're going to tell me the answer for this one. What is this? 52 minus 25. What is that, Heyan?
27.
Okay, then why did you put 21? Okay, so that's fine. 612 minus 391. Who wants to try this? Let me. Fifth one. Okay, who is this? Yuvati, I want you to try the fourth one, ma. Yuvati, I want you to try the fourth one.
Um,
Yuvati, did you forget? This is one term, this is one term. Take 5 out as common, it becomes 1 plus 11. So 5 times 12 is what you need to put there. Or you can go with 5 plus 55. You get it, ma Yuvati?
I tried 55 plus 55.
No, right? It's not 55 plus 55. This is 55, this is 5. You got it? I saw, that's why I wanted you to answer. 612 minus 391. Nevan, can you answer this? Or Heyan, can you answer this? Heyan?
Yeah, I accidentally did a typo on that one.
On that one, how did you do this one? Can you explain?
So like 612 minus 391. So you take away 1 from 2 and it's 1.
Hey, Nevan, 1 minute, Amma. Sorry to interrupt. But why don't you subtract 400? 391 is near 400, right? 391 is near 400, right?
Yeah.
So you can always have it as 612 minus 400 is 212, right? And then extra you added a 9, right? So extra you subtracted 9. So you add that 9 in here, you get a 223. Make sense?
Yeah.
Meaning, instead of subtracting, all of you, please listen, this is a very quick method. Instead of subtracting a 391, subtract a 400. You are subtracting 9 more, it's okay. And then it's easy to do this. 612 minus 400 is just a change in the hundreds digit. And then after that, you can add a 9. Lakshanya, did you hear that? Okay.
Yes.
Now, yeah, let's go ahead and try this one. Several of you had done. How did you do this? 15 times 38. Neil, can you go ahead and shout out? How did you do that?
I didn't do it. I didn't have enough time.
Yeah, that's okay. I saw. That's why I'm revising this. How to do next week? I want you to target these. 15 times
I
30.
sometimes I do the same strategy as the previous time we did.
What is it?
Like I estimate 15 to the closest 10
Nice. And then subtract what?
and then subtract 170.
Subtract 170. Yeah. Why?
And then subtract 100.
Neil, this is, yeah, some hit. Go ahead.
So basically, how is 212 plus 9 equal 223?
Oh, wait. 220. I'm sorry. Yeah, it's 200. I'm sorry. 221, ma. Okay. Some hit. 221. Makes sense, huh? Thank you for catching that, Samhit. I didn't see. Now,
I
15.
always estimate like to the closest 10 if it's
Correct,
then
ma. You estimated to the
I
closest 10 is
subtract
correct.
the time. Then I subtract 5 or 4 or 3 or 2 or 1
Neil.
times of it.
See,
Times of it.
here you're estimating to the nearest 10 is correct. Okay, 15 times 40. But then 15 times 38 was 30 less, right? So once you multiply that, you have to subtract 30, right? Am I right or wrong? See, 15 times 38. This is 15 times 40. So you added 15 plus 15 two more times, correct? So you need to subtract that. Once you do 15 times 40, what is 15 times 40?
1,000.
15 times 40.
Oh, 600.
600. From 600, what will you subtract?
I subtract I'll subtract 30.
Correct. That's what I meant to say. So the answer would be what? 15 times 40 minus 30. Subtracting 30 is very easy. 600 minus 30. Go back 30. 570. Yuvati, did you understand how to do that? Okay. Now, and how to do this one, guys? 36 times 11. Who can explain? Heyan, can you explain? Or Samhit? Yuvati, go ahead, ma.
Yeah, can I explain?
Absolutely, I'm going to give this to you. Okay, be prepared on this one. Heyan, be prepared on this one. And this one, Heyan.
Okay.
I'll come to you, Heyan. Go ahead, Yuvati, go ahead, ma. Samhit, I'll come. Samhit, you're going to explain this. Yes, go ahead. Go ahead, Yuvati.
I can first do 36 times 10.
Okay. And then you added 36.
Yep.
Very nice. That's a very good thing to do. But then multiplying by 11 is very easy. I've told you, right? Write 3 and 6, add the 2 together in between. That's all. When you want to multiply by 11, write out these numbers, add the 2, write it in between. That's all. Okay. Now, Heyan, go ahead and explain those two problems. The product of 12 and 7. Quick, come on.
Okay. The product of 12 and 7,
Mm,
and we can do that by taking 7
mm,
and times 10 times 2.
Good
7
job.
times 2 is 14.
Uh-huh.
70 plus 14
Mm.
is 84.
Good job. Nevan, can I get the answer from you for this one? 53 divided by 4. What is the remainder?
1.
53 divided by 4. How did you find the remainder?
You just, how many times 4 goes in 53?
Uh-huh.
And
How
it
did you
only-
find it? How did you find it?
So you count up to, and then you can only go up to 52, but it's 53, so with the
Good job.
remainder of 1.
Very nice. Okay, very nice. And Samhit, I want you to explain this one, not that one. 1324 minus 465 plus 978. How did you estimate?
Rounded 1,324 to 1,400, and then rounded 465 to 500, and I did 1,400 minus 500, and I got 900, and then rounded 978 to 1,000, I added 1,000 plus 900.
Good job. So just take the hundreds place. It's estimation, right? 13 minus 4 is a 9. So 900. 900 plus 900. See, okay, but did you subtract or add? Okay, 13 minus 4 is a 9. Good job. And then you added a 9. So approximately it's 1,800 is great. The highest score was 10. Okay, today's highest score was 10. Okay. Can I move on?
Yes.
Okay, good. Yes. Yes, I don't want to make a mistake in telling that. Yes, and the second highest score was 9. There were several people who got 9 and 8. Okay, let's go ahead. Very happy to see. Can I go ahead? Okay, guys. This is good. Okay, definitely good for what we are trying to achieve. Okay, great. Okay, let's move on. Did you all go through the gallon?
can I have cereal?
Do you all have the gallon board ready?
Yes. I do.
Can I see? Can I please see the gallon board?
My mom forgot to print it out.
Oh my goodness. Oh wow.
I colored
Ritu,
it,
did
but
you- I really love it. I like the green color on it and the head face with the brown. Oh wow, Yuvati. Really nice.
my mom's
See?
bringing it for me, but I didn't color it.
Sure. Hey, and I would like to see yours. Samhit, where is yours? Hey, very nice. Yuvati and Ritu, you rock. Beautiful, right? Did you understand though?
Yes.
That's good to know. Okay, understanding it is far more important. And I like the blue, 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 blue. Gallon, right, Yuvati? It was what a perfect match.
I did kind of like the sky colors.
I get it. I get it. You know how I interpreted it? It's all blue. Oh, wow, Lakshanya. Yours is so colorful. Did you like doing it?
Yes.
Did you understand, Amma?
Yes.
Very nice. Did you start doing that math Olympiad which I told you?
I have not started.
I told you, right? I'll ask you. I want you to submit it every week, every day. Okay. Neil as well. Okay. Let's see. Neil, are you ready? Heyan, are you ready?
My mom's still
Yes.
praying the calendar.
Wow, that looks cute. You understood, Heyan? You
Yes.
Okay, can I ask you a couple of questions?
Okay.
Neil, I'm waiting on yours, okay? Neil alone, I'm waiting. Others, I know what is the status, okay? Okay, I'll wait for you, Neil. No hurry, no hurry. I want you to answer now. How about 3 gallons is equal to how many pints, guys? Please in chat. 3 gallons is how many pints? 3 gallons is how many pints? Good job, Lakshanya, Neil, good job. Good job, guys. Send it in chat, guys. 3 gallons is how many pints?
Miss Priya.
Yeah, ma.
I don't know.
Okay. Ritu, you did the gallon bot, right? Look at the gallon bot and tell 1 gallon equal to how many pints? 1 gallon is how many pints?
2.
Really? How many pints are attached to 1 gallon bot? Lakshanya, is that right, Amma? I asked you for 3 gallons. Did you see that?
I wrote 3 gallons and then I wrote 1 gallon.
Ah, oh, yeah. First time I said right and then I'm saying incorrect, right? Correct. Heyan, Yuvati got it. Nevan, how is it 36, Amma? Nevan, how is it 36?
I think it's
The gallon bot is here. This is 1 gallon, right? He's being attached to. He's being attached to. Let me redraw it for you. I asked you for 3 gallons, right? The gallon bot is here, right? So he's being attached to his body, right?
Priya. The Zoom timer is still on.
It's okay. I will take it off. Okay. Don't worry about it. I don't want the time to go. Now here it will be pint. Ritu, are you looking at this? How many pints are attached to the gallon? Did you see? Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, and number 8. Did you see it? There are 8 pints in a gallon. So in 3 gallons, how many pints are there? How many pints are there? Nevan, can you answer now? Good job, Nevan. Okay. Guys, now let me go ahead and ask this one. In 1.5 quarts, how many pints are there? In 1.5 quarts, how many pints are there? Good job, Heyan. That was fast. Neil, good job. Lakshanya, good job.
Miss Priya.
Yeah, Ma.
I need help.
Amma, Ritu, did you do the homework?
Yeah.
Did you understand the relationship between pints and all?
No.
Okay. Last week we went over in class, right, ma? Okay, Nevan, I don't know. Neil, I'm waiting to see your gallon bot. So 1.5 quarts. Ritu, this is the gallon bot, right? Now you tell me, okay? These are quarts. This is a quart. This is a quart. This is a quart, right? So 1 quart is attached to how many pints, ma? 1 quart is attached to how many pints?
2.
2. And the half a quart is attached to how many pints? Half a quart means how many pints?
1.
1. So how many pints in total? 1.5 quarts.
2.
Plus, huh?
4.
2 plus 1, 3, right? 1.5 quarts. 3 pints. You got it? Ritu, did you understand?
No.
Why? Ritu, why did you not understand?
I just don't know. I just don't understand.
Did you do the gallon bot?
Yes.
The gallon bot. 1 quart is connected to how many pints?
2.
1.5 quarts is connected to how many pints?
3.
Yeah. So let me, okay. Ritu, it doesn't work this way, ma. First of all, you have to mute. Okay. Let's go ahead. Let's go ahead, guys. Okay. Last question, maybe. How about this? 40 pints is how many quarts? You are also reviewing your multiplication division. Ah, wow. Good job, Neil. Proud of you. Very nice. Did you enjoy doing it? Will you keep it in your brain? You have to unmute and talk. Very nice, Neil. Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Very nice. 40 pints is Nevan, is that right? 40 pints is how many quarts? 40 pints is how many quarts?
Miss Priya,
Go ahead.
I'll send the answer.
I'm saying, Amma, 1 minute. Give me 1 minute, okay?
Okay.
Good job, Yuvati and Neil. Ritu, check Ritu. How many pints are connected to 1 quart?
Miss Priya, I sent.
Lakshanya.
Yeah.
Lakshanya, that seems incorrect, ma. How many pints are in a quart? Yeah, that is right. So how many pints are connected to a quart, Lakshanya? Heyan, where is your answer? Heyan, is that right? Heyan, that seems incorrect, Heyan.
Can I resend?
Yeah, you can resend. Evan, good job. Lakshanya, good job. Ritu, how many pints are in a quart?
2.
2. When there are 2 pints in a quart, right? I split it as 2, 2, 2. How many 2s are in here? So divide by 2, right, Ritu? Your splitting means you're dividing by 2. 40 divided by 2 is what, Ritu?
20.
20. Good job. So, Ritu, next time I really want you to understand the gallon bot and come to class next week. You got it?
Yeah.
And I want to see Nevan's gallon bot next week. Heyan, yes, now you got it, Heyan. Good job. How about this? Um, 20 cups. 20 cups is how many? 20 cups is how many? Okay, I'm going to challenge you. Okay? Can I challenge you? 20 cups is how many quarts? 20 cups is how many pints? Okay, whoever wants Samhit, I'm not getting answers from you. What's going on with you? Samhit,
Yeah,
I'm not getting answers from you.
I'm going to tell.
How long? Okay, the hard one. Whoever needs the hard question, go ahead with the hard question. Whoever needs the easy question, go with the easy question. Lakshanya, is that right? Let me see, ma. 20 cups is how many pints?
Quarts. That's right. This easy and hard question. I answer 5 is hard, 10 is easy.
Hmm. Good job. Samhit got it, Neil got it, Heyan got it, Neil got it, Ritu got it, Nevan got it, Samhit and Yuvati. Okay, great. Okay, nice. Okay. How about Ritu? Ritu, was it hard on you?
The question you just gave me was easy.
Okay. Okay, how about this? 32 fluid ounces will be equal to how many cups? Last question. 32 fluid ounces is how many cups? Check the gallon bot. 1 cup is how many fluid ounces? Check it. And based on that, write this.
Fluid ounces isn't on the gallon bot.
But I told you last class. That's why I gave this problem in the last. I know that. I gave it to you in the last class. I told you. You're having coffee beverage, right? That is 8 fluid ounce in a cup. Yuvati, go ahead. Now, chat ma, please, chat ma. I really want you to be able to divide by 8. Let's see. Good job, Neil.
Miss Priya, the gallon bot typed in the answer.
Oh, the gallon bot had the answer?
No. I asked the gallon bot to type it.
Oh, you asked the gallon. Did the gallon bot was the gallon bot able to type your answer?
Yeah.
Oh, lovely. I would like to have the gallon bot with me then. Can you send it to me?
No.
No, he will type, right? So I can have it.
He'll only type for me.
Oh, he is a very biased gallon bot. So you have him. Ritu correct. Ritu correct. Neil correct. Ritu, you're awesome with your division multiplication skills, but I want you to relate it to the gallon bot slowly. Okay. Next week, I will ask you questions. You are going to understand how it relates. 1 gallon is connected to how many pints? 1 pint is how many connected to how many cups? Like that, you need to learn and come. Nevan. How, Nevan? I told you the cup that you drink, right? A cup of coffee, right? That will be equal to 8 fluid ounce. Right? So when you have 32 fluid ounce, you will have to split it into 8, 8, 8. How many 8s are there? Lakshanya, what happened, Lakshanya? Answer is 4.
I got confused.
No problem. I saw that, ma. No problem. See, I gave you confusing questions. Okay, now let's go ahead and try this one. How about okay. Let's go ahead. I have a pan balance. Okay. This side I have 35 gram and then I have a 20 gram. Okay. This side I have a bird. What is the weight of the bird? Please send in chat. What is the weight of the bird? Send in chat, guys.
Miss Priya, I sent my answer.
Yeah, ma. Good job. Okay, now I have a question. So the bird, they both are balancing, right? So basically this will be 55 gram. Okay, now I have more questions for you guys. How about this? I have um I have 20 gram, 15 gram, 4 gram and a bird on this side. What is the weight of the bird? What is the weight of the bird? Good job, Lakshanya. Good, guys.
Yes.
Good job, guys. Ritu, Heyan, Samhit. Good job. Can I move on?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now the bird can be either weighed like grams, kilograms, or even you can use ounces, you know. When the bird, for a small bird, right? For a small bird, you can weigh it in ounces. A newborn bird can be weighed in ounces. Gram is also very less. You get it? You get it?
Yeah.
Let's say there is an eagle sitting. What will you use to weigh this side?
Grams.
You use
Or
grams for an eagle?
Grams. Kilograms.
Kilograms are better because the eagle will weigh in kilograms because it's an adult bird.
Oh, I forgot about that.
Yeah, see, slowly you'll get it. Don't worry. That's why we are discussing now. How about
Now I remember.
now you remember? Good job. Oh, I want to put a car in the pan balance. I want to put a car. What unit can you use to weigh that? Any thoughts?
Kilograms.
Grams?
Kilogram.
Kilogram will also be very small. This is a car.
Ton. Teragrams.
Wow. Who said that?
Me.
Good job. What is
I
that?
said kilograms.
Kilogram is good, but kilogram, you know what? It's very difficult to measure in kilogram because a car is too heavy.
I know tons.
Yeah, your table can be measured in kilogram, or tomatoes can be measured in kilogram, or potatoes can be measured in kilogram, or you can be measured in kilogram even. I can be measured in kilogram, but a car is too heavy. Okay. It's very difficult to measure it in kilogram because the number will become huge. You know what they used to measure? Tons.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, ton. Let me introduce that.
Like you measure that for dinosaurs, but they're extinct.
Ah, I see.
Already.
See, 1 ton is how many pounds? Approximately. Approximately. This is just an estimate. 2,000 pounds. You got it?
That's why the T-Rex is four tons.
Agree. 4 tons means how many pounds?
8,000. The T-Rex is 8,000.
Too heavy should be measured in tons or more. Can I move on? Let me go ahead and work with a few more. Okay. Okay. See, okay, I told you right last week. Some measurements we use it in the US. Some measurements we use it outside of the US. Right? Outside of US. Let's consider this eagle. Okay, I can't draw eagles. Okay, let's consider this eagle. Okay, if you were outside the US, you will measure it in kilogram, right? If you're in the US, they are called customary units. If you're outside of the US, you can use metric units. Okay, metric units is what everyone knows. Customary units is what we people in the US know. So
Metric
now,
unit is like almost the size of me, but I'm a little bit inches taller.
what is it?
I'm a little bit, I'm some inches taller than 1 meter.
Yeah, let's come to the meter a little later. Let's finish the weight. Okay? Is it okay? Is it okay, Neil?
Yeah.
Okay. So the eagle, when you're in the US, will be measured in pounds. Got it? Pounds. But outside of the US, you measure it in kgs. Okay? But if it is a small bird, let's say a small bird, that can
Like
be
a
measured in
hummingbird?
ounces. Ounces, but whereas here it can be measured in grams. Right? Or milligrams even. Got it?
Yeah, that's
Milligrams
a
you can't
very
measure.
small
Milligram
unit.
is too small. Milligram is too small than a gram. You got it?
Just measured for ants.
That's better for?
Ants.
For what?
Ants.
Ants. I like it. I like it. Now let's try this one. Okay. Now we did discuss the approximation, the estimations for weight, right? So how about this? 1 pint is how many fluid ounces? 1 pint is how many fluid ounces? I'm going to ask you questions on this, but before that, 1 pint is how many fluid ounces? This is my question. 1 pint is how many fluid ounces? Can you do and tell me? Give me 1 second, guys.
Answered in chat. No, not that.
In chat, Amma. Do it in chat. Give me 1 exact minute. 1 pint is how many fluid ounces? Ritu, is that correct? Ritu, can you recheck? Yuvati, can you recheck? Let me draw the gallon butt again. I don't want to keep drawing the gallon butt. Never correct. 1 pint. These are all quads, right? This is pint, right? This is cups, right? Each cup is connected to 8 fluid ounces. Now I'm asking about what I'm asking 1 pint. So what I want to know is 1 pint is connected to how many fluid ounces? Good job. Yuvati, did you understand?
Yes.
What is the answer?
2.
No. 1 pint is connected to 2 cups. Each cup is connected to 8 fluid ounces. So how many fluid ounces in 1 pint?
4.
No, right, ma. 1 pint is connected to how many fluid ounces? 8 plus 8, right?
16.
16. Good job. Okay, Hayan got it. Good. Okay, let's move on. Okay, let me come back to this. I'm going to measure my TV. What unit can I use? I'm going to measure what is the weight of my TV.
Pounds.
What, ma?
Kilograms.
Kilograms. Good job. But if I am in the US, how will I measure?
Pound.
Pounds. Good job. Pounds. P-O-U. Okay. P-O-U-N-D-S.
Grams.
Samhit, I want you to answer now. Can I ask you the question?
Okay.
Okay. I have this book with me. See, I have this book with me. Do you see my screen?
What's that?
So I have this heavy book with me, right? What
Yeah.
can I use to measure this? What unit can I use to measure this? Samhit. Question for Samhit. What?
Kilogram.
What is it? Kilo. Okay. Kilograms is okay. Good. Kilograms. Kilograms or yeah, kilograms is okay. Now I'm going to tell you the story of King Henry. This King Henry, you know, he was always drinking chocolate milk. He was always drinking chocolate milk. Morning he'll drink chocolate milk, afternoon he'll drink chocolate milk, evening he'll drink chocolate milk, night he'll drink chocolate milk. He won't give it to the queen or his sons or daughters. He was the only one who was drinking chocolate milk, chocolate milk, chocolate milk, chocolate milk. You know what happened? If you drink too much chocolate milk, what would happen? What would happen?
You go get sick. Yes.
Get sick. He got sick. That's the same thing that happened to him. He got very sick. Okay. He got very sick, and one fine day, nobody knew. He just passed away. Very sad, right? So, too much chocolate milk is not good. Too much of sweet is not good. Yes, Neil, what is it?
Every day he would drink a quart. Every day he would drink a quart of chocolate milk.
Yeah, a quart is even okay. He was drinking gallons of chocolate milk.
More than 1 week, he drank more than in a week. He drank more than 1 gallon of chocolate milk.
True. So you know what happened? So I'm going to draw some stairs, okay, to represent the story, to represent what happened to him, okay. I'm going to draw stairs. See how I am drawing stairs? Do you see how I'm drawing stairs? Now, I'm going to start from King. King Henry died unusually. He just died unusually. No one knows why he died, but one day suddenly he passed away because of too much sugar. Nobody knows about it. But then nobody measured, okay. However, he kept on drinking chocolate milk. Too much sugar doesn't do good to the body, okay. Unusually drinking chocolate milk. You got it? How did I frame the stage? Did you get it? King Henry died unusually drinking chocolate milk. Got it, guys? Now you know what I'm going to do. I'm going to put grams here. Okay. I put in every stair, I'm going to put a gram. Okay. See the center, I changed it to a gram. Okay. Can I move on? Okay. Now, walking up is easy for you or walking down is easy for you all? Walking up is easy or walking down is easy?
Up. Up.
Walking up is easy?
Down.
Climbing down is easy, guys. Climbing down less energy, right? Walking up requires a lot of energy. So, multiplication is easy or division is easy?
Multiplication.
Climbing down is equivalent to multiplication.
But it's easier to run up the stairs, and it's like more safe.
More stable. That is true. But then you see, climbing down, anybody can do. Climbing up, you need some energy. Okay. So climbing up
but
is
you can
like
run.
division.
But
What
you
is it,
can
ma'am?
run up, which makes you go fast.
Sorry, Samhit, I didn't hear you. What was that?
But you can run up, which makes you faster.
You can run up, but you need to have energy, right? A person who does not have energy cannot climb up, but he can go down quickly the stairs. Now, let's go to our problem, okay? Climbing up is like division. Climbing down is multiplication. Remember that, okay? Now, what are all these? I told you the story of King Henry died unusually drinking chocolate milk. I changed that middle step to directly to gram, right? And everywhere I added a gram. What does it mean? You see?
I know.
What is it?
Milligram, centigram,
metric conversion.
decagram.
Let's not confuse this. This is decigram. This is decigram.
Yes.
Don't worry about it, okay? Then go ahead.
Decigram, then it's gram,
Good job.
Decagram,
Decagram,
decagram, and
hectagram.
hectogram, and
Thousand gram.
kilogram.
Kilogram.
Good job, guys.
Units of grams.
Exactly. Now you don't need to confuse. Every time you're asked, you can draw a stair. Okay, and write out the story of King Henry died unusually drinking chocolate milk. When you do that, right? Let me see what is 1 kilogram. How to find out in grams? Shall I tell you how to find out very quickly? Every stair,
1,000. 1,000
every
you can fit in a kilogram.
correct, but every stair you climb down, you're going to multiply my number by a 10. Every stair you climb down, you're going to multiply by a 10. Multiply by a 10. And then again, 1 times 10 is 10. Again, 10 times 10 is 100. That 100, again you multiply by a 10, it becomes 1000.
1,000 times.
1000 gram,
Then-
that's all. 1 kilogram was 1000 grams. Heyan, are you following? Heyan?
1,000 gram. That's 1,000 milligrams.
Okay, let me ask you one more question. Heyan, are you following, Heyan?
Why did you mute me if you wanted me to unmute?
Sorry. Since you didn't unmute, I pressed the button twice. Okay, by the time you unmuted, as a result, my second time pinging you resulted in mute. I didn't mean to. Okay, go ahead. Go ahead and talk, Heyan. Did you understand?
Yes.
Okay, good. Can I move on?
All I don't understand is a hecta, deca,
Okay. You
I
didn't-
know milligrams and kilograms and normal grams. It's just
Yeah, you
so
don't need to
confusing.
worry about the hectagram, decagram, and decigram. This is deci, this is deca and hecta. You don't need to worry about it right now. You know what you need to know is kilogram, gram, centigram, and milligram. That's all.
Yeah.
You got it? Does it answer your question, Heyan?
Okay.
But remember, this stands for deci, deca, and hecta. Okay, now let me ask you one question. I want to convert 2 centigram to milligram. Who can tell me 2 centigram? Pick up that number. Either jump down or jump up. Yes, Yuvati, what is it?
Jump down.
Yeah, jump down. So what happens?
You have to multiply it by 10.
Yes. So what happens? What is the answer?
20.
20 milligram. Good job, guys. You're all doing great. Okay, now can I go ahead and ask one another question? I have 2000 grams. How to convert it to kilogram? Ritu, tell me.
Divide.
Divide by every step, right? I climb up. What do I do? That 2000, pick up that number.
I divide by 10.
2000, when you divide by 10, what happens?
200.
Now 200 again divide by 10. What happens?
20.
Good, 20. Again I divide by 10. What happens?
2.
2. So 2000 gram became 2 kilogram when it went up. Okay, now, Heyan, can I ask you a question?
Yes.
You know what? We are covering a lot today, but see, I'll tell you how we are covering a lot. King Henry died unusually drinking chocolate milk. All my small letters came up down. Okay.
Okay,
Now,
just let me write that down.
yeah, please. Because you're never going to forget. I don't want you to refer to cheat sheets given in an exam. They'll give you the cheat sheet. That's not what we want to use.
I already wrote it down.
Very nice. Can I go ahead and ask you a question, Ritu?
Okay.
Okay. Now let me ask you this one. Okay. I have 200 grams. how many centigram it is. I have two. Now chat, guys. In the chat window, I want you to say, I have 200 grams. How many centigrams it is? Hey, and even if you forget, right, remember the story. King Henry, he died unusually drinking chocolate milk. That U is very special. You can change it directly to gram. Hey, Heyan, I had 200 grams. I want to. Heyan, I know what are you doing. Whenever you step down, you have to multiply by a 10, not by a 2. You have to multiply by a 10. You have to multiply by a 10. Oh, I know. Oh, you're adding 100 for every step. You have to multiply by 100. You have to multiply by a 10. Heyan, you have to multiply
200
by a
grams.
10, Heyan. For every step down, you're going to multiply by a 10. For every step up, you're going to divide by a 10. Good job, Heyan.
Oh, I know. The answer is 200 grams is equal to 220,000.
Good job. Okay. Heyan, Lakshanya, good job. Samhit, Neil, good job. Nevan, can I get your answer? Hey, Nevan. Yuvati, can I get your answer, ma? Yuvati, did you send the answer? What did you not get? Nevan, that's incorrect, Nevan. See here, Nevan. 200 grams, you multiply by a 10. When it comes here, 1 0 gets added, right? 2 times 1 is 2 and then 3 zeros. Now again you multiply by a 10. So 2 times 1 is a 2 and then you have 4 zeros. Right? It's 20,000 centigram. Okay. Now guys, let me ask you one more question. I have 20,000 milligram. How many grams it is? That's the last question. I want to move on to the next one now. I'll leave you in another 2-3 minutes. 20,000 milligram is how many grams?
Class should be over in approximately
Send them.
30 seconds.
Please send it to me.
Miss Priya,
I sent.
Yeah, ma.
I need help finding 20,000 by 10.
If you divide, 1 0 goes off, right? That's all.
Okay.
Neil, is that right? I asked you about 20,000 milligram. Some hit correct. Lakshanya, can you check? Neban, correct. Neil, can you check your answer? Lakshanya, can you check your answer? Heyan, can you check your answer? Guys, you have to be careful with the zeros.
I need this.
Divide by 10. Divide by 10. I took away the zeros. You're just inversing it.
Yeah, that's correct. But did you do it correctly? 20,000 milligram is here. Pick the number. Okay, that's my number I need. Every time I go up, I take 1 0 out. So this becomes 2,000. This becomes 200. And then it becomes when it goes to gram, it becomes 20.
Oh, okay.
You have to be very, very conservative with the zeros. Yep. Okay, last one, guys. Okay, this is not a question. Okay, but again, a concept. Okay, we replaced for the weight, right? To measure the weight of something, we replaced by the gram, right? So I told you the story of King Henry died unusually drinking chocolate milk, and I told you that U was very special, right? Why U was very special? You replace directly to a gram. Now, if I want to measure distances, I can just put M there. M means what? Meters. If I want to measure metric milk in metric units, I can put a liter there. You got it? Either I can put a meter or a liter. If you put a meter there, everywhere will become meter. Okay, everywhere it will get a meter. If you put a liter there, this will be decaliter, hectoliter, kiloliter, deciliter, centiliter, milliliter. You get it? First you put a gram there, so everything became a gram. You got it? If you put a gram, put every gram everywhere. So this unusually, he's dying unusually is very special. You can put a meter, liter, gram there. You got it? So now you know all your conversions when you think about it. When you think about it, you know all your conversions. Suppose, okay, this is always the smallest unit. Beneath the stair is always the smallest unit. Kilometer is the biggest unit. Got it?
Yeah, then it becomes test base units.
Exactly. Now let me ask you this. I have 4,000 liters of milk, chocolate milk that King Henry likes. I have 4,000 liters of milk. Can you convert it to kiloliters? 4,000 liter is equal to how many kiloliter? You go up or go down? Coming down, every stair is multiplying by 10. Going up, every stair is dividing by 10. Can we try? Lakshanya, is that correct? Check, Amma. Every step you need to do and check. How many steps you're going up? Good job, Neil. Neil, will you remember this? King Henry died unusually drinking chocolate milk. So you should be able to convert kilometer to meter, meter to kilometer, centimeter to meter, millimeter to centimeter, all that. Similarly, you should be able to convert gram to kilogram. We will do estimations next week on those.
I just keep remembering the meter because of watching comparisons.
Nice. Good job, guys. Most of you got it. I'm going to do it and show one last question I have after this. 4,000 when it climbs up, it becomes 400. 400 when it climbs up, it becomes 40. 40 when it climbs up, it becomes 4 kilometer. Now the last question to you. Okay. Last question of the day is I have 4 grams. That will be equal to how many centigram? I don't want grams this time. I want meters. I have 4 meters. How many centimeter it is? We will look at estimates next week, okay? On the
400.
please, ma, please in chat, Neil. I really want everybody to work. I won't tell whether it is correct. Thank you, Neil. Appreciate it. Lakshanya, good job. Neil, I'll send the answer whether you're right or not. Lakshanya, correct, ma. Heyan, what is it? 4 meter is how many centimeter? Are you coming down or going up? Ritu, that's a lot. Where are you coming from? How many steps did you climb down? 4 meter is where it's the center step, right? Ritu, please correct your answer, ma. Yuvati, how many steps are you coming down? Meter is here. It has 4 number to it. You have to come here.
Oh.
Heyan. See, when you put the number of zeros, you have to be very conservative. You have to be stingy. Okay, you cannot be lavish putting zeros. Yes, Yuvati correct, Samhit correct. Heyan, can I get your answer? Heyan and Ritu. You have to be very stingy. Okay, you have to be a spendthrift. Yes, Neil, you can lead. Good job, Neil. See you all next week.
Bye.
Bye. Have a nice week ahead, guys.
Bye.
Good job, Heyan. You got it. Very nice.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye, Miss Priya.
Bye. See you next. Bye. Bye, guys. Ritu, you're all good? Bye, bye, ma.